In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign on Hootsuite. Whether you're looking to boost your online presence, promote a big event, or launch a new product, mastering Hootsuite campaigns can be your ticket to achieving your marketing goals efficiently. So, let's dive right in and break down the process into simple, manageable steps. First things first, navigate to Hootsuite's website. If you're not familiar with Hootsuite, it's a powerful social media management tool that allows you to schedule posts, track the performance of your content, and most crucially for today's session, create and manage advertising campaigns across various social media platforms. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll find yourself at the gates of a myriad of features designed to elevate your social media game. Now it's time to log into your Hootsuite account. Click on the login button typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you're using Hootsuite for the first time, you might need to sign up for an account, which is a straightforward process. For returning users, simply entering your credentials will do the trick. Upon logging in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address followed by your password. Make sure you enter the details associated with your Hootsuite account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's always a way to reset it and regain access to your account. With the login process out of the way, it's time to head over to the main dashboard. The Hootsuite dashboard is your command center. From here, you can navigate to any part of the application. If you're new to Hootsuite, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the various functionalities available at your disposal. Next, we'll start the process of creating a new campaign. Look for the Create option, which should be visible in your dashboard. After clicking on Create, you'll see several options, but for today we're interested in the AD option, as our goal is to set up a new advertising campaign. Once you've clicked on AD, you'll be given the choice to select the platform you want to advertise on. In this instance, let's select on Twitter as our platform of choice. However, Hootsuite supports multiple social media platforms, so feel free to experiment and choose the one that best suits your campaign's target audience and objectives. We're now getting to the exciting part, adding campaign details. This step is crucial for the success of your campaign. Here you'll input all the necessary information about your campaign, such as its name, the target audience, budget and duration. Be thorough and considerate with each detail. The more precise and strategic you are in this step, the better the outcomes you can expect from your campaign. Remember, a well-crafted campaign is the backbone of successful digital marketing. After you've input all your campaign details meticulously, you'll come to a crucial checkpoint, saving your work. You'll see an option to save as draft. I recommend using this feature, especially if you want to review your campaign details later, or if you need to get approvals before launching. Saving as a draft ensures that all the hard work you've put into setting up your campaign details isn't lost, and that you can come back to it any time to make adjustments or to finally launch it. Congratulations, you've just walked through all the steps necessary to create a campaign on Hootsuite. This skill is an invaluable part of your digital marketing toolkit. It allows for precise targeting, detailed analytics, and ultimately a more engaged audience. Feel free to revisit any of the steps we've covered today as you become more familiar with Hootsuite and start creating campaigns of your own. Remember, the world of social media advertising is constantly evolving, and staying ahead means continually learning, testing, and refining your strategies. So, take what you've learned today, apply it, experiment with different campaign objectives, tweak your target audiences, and always keep an eye on your campaign performance for insights that can inform your future strategies. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to create a campaign on Hootsuite. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your social media marketing skills, mastering Hootsuite is a step in the right direction. Keep practicing, stay curious, and watch as your online presence grows stronger with each campaign.